got my money.
Ow! If I look busted, I'm sorry. Oh, ew. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you... Good morning. Welcome back to my channel if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, or welcome if you're new. My name's Adwoa, and today I'm going to be filming something kind of different for my channel. I have been diversifying my content because I just want to film different things, and I hope you guys don't mind. Earlier this week I was kind of thinking of video ideas, and two ideas came to mind. The first one, because I have been seeing this trend go around YouTube for a while. So the first one is eating McDonald's or eating blank for 24 hours. And the second video idea was testing out the Beyond Meat Burger from A&W. I am going to film both of the videos, but I did a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, it's right here. Follow me. Actually, you don't have to. I don't really post that much. But I did a poll on my Instagram asking which one I should film, and the McDonald's one won by 1 vote. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to be eating McDonald's for 24 hours. I've seen plenty of these videos. They just have it for their 3 meals of the day. I'm gonna show you like my physique and stuff.
So I have a little bit of a belly, but that's okay. So what I look like from the side.
I'm also gonna track the calories. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my physique before I eat all of the McDonald's, my physique after, tell you how I feel. It's currently, let me show you the date so you guys know I don't cheat or whatever. Ignore the YouTube thing. And I need a fill. I'm getting a fill tomorrow. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get breakfast. Okay, so it's currently 10 o'clock right now. Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 10:04.
Yeah, so it's 10:04. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna leave. And I also have to go to Airdrie, which is like the next little city over, because I picked up some fun stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna eat the things that I got from the Airdrie store in this video, because this is eating McDonald's. Okay guys, so it's just 1 second. So it's 10:10. I don't know if you can see that. Or 10:11, I guess now. And I'm going to, because they have coupons out right now, and I'm broke. I'm gonna use the McDonald's app to order my food so I can use the coupon. And I'm so hungry. This is like the paper one, but I don't know if I want to go inside. I don't know if I want to go inside to eat.
A few moments later.
Okay. So it turns out I can't use the app, so I'm just gonna drive there right now. And I'll talk to you guys when I get my food. Okay, so I got the goods. So I got 2 hash browns and an egg McMuffin. Oh, and I got a blueberry pomegranate smoothie to drink. I'm just talking with my homie right now, Quincy, if you're watching this. Love you. Anyways, we're talking about the new Post Malone album. Fire. You really can't go wrong with McDonald's hash browns. Especially when they're fresh. Oh my gosh, they're heavenly. Comment down below what your favorite breakfast item from McDonald's is. It could be one of their sandwiches, their wraps, even a drink. hash browns even, just let me know. So I'm driving to the Airdrie store and I'll talk to you guys when I get there. I just got home. I went to the Airdrie store. I got the goods. The lady at the place said that the cookies that I got, these, she said they're really good. So I'm excited. I'm gonna try it tomorrow because I can't try them today because I'm eating McDonald's today. I'm gonna go home, chill, edit a video, and then get ready for work eventually. I feel satisfied after that meal. I don't know if I'll feel hungry until, it's probably not, I'm probably not gonna feel hungry until like right before my shift, so that's fine. Hi guys, ignore the speck on the screen. It's 3 o'clock right now and I have work pretty soon and I'm finally hungry. So probably gonna get like some cheeseburgers or like a junior chicken or something and a small fry. And that's it because I want to eat, like have a feast. Well, not really, but just eat better for like my dinner thing. There you go. Can I get some ketchup, please? Ketchup? Thank you. Oh, I feel gross. So yeah, just ate my lunch. I have to work now. I'll talk to you guys after work. Hi guys, I didn't finish my muffin, so I'll have that later. I have a pounding headache. I am also so exhausted. I just have one more meal to have. I'm not that hungry yet, so I'm probably not going to eat for a few hours. This challenge has been interesting. I kind of got sick of it when I was having my lunch, but we'll see how I feel when I get my dinner. So right now I'm just gonna chill and edit, watch some Netflix, relax until it's time for me to eat again. Talk to you guys in a few hours, I guess. Okay, so it's 10:43 right now. I had to wait until I got like super hungry to get food because I don't want it to just sit and get cold and gross. I'm gonna go get the food now. I'm so hungry. So I don't know if I'll bring this, but I'll get the food quickly and come home. So I just got home. It's 11:18 and I'm gonna eat my last meal of the day. I'm so hungry, so I got a 6-piece nugget meal and I just dumped out all my fries in the bag. That's great. So yeah, 6-piece nugget meal with sweet and sour sauce, obviously. I was thinking about getting a poutine, but I don't know if I want to risk making my stomach upset for that, so I decided against it. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna watch some Friends. Okay, I'm done. I just have some of my Sprite left. That was quite the challenge. In a few minutes or seconds, I'm going to show you guys my physique, what I'm looking like. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments down below. Tell me your thoughts on this video. and if I should do more challenges like this, because it kind of is fun. It's just so tiring of eating pretty much the same thing all day. I was gonna get a burger for dinner, but I realized I had a burger for lunch, so I had to change it up somehow. So we got nuggets. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.